Alright, I know you can't really see anything. I mean, the light is right there, but you can't really see anything. Here's this Trane XR15 heat pump running in heat mode at the town village. Go up and scroll. So these are actually the heat pumps at the place I filmed at last summer, June 9th. 2012 5-ton XR15. This is behind a BurgerFi, so there's grease on there. There's also this thing in here. Well, it's warm. There's the reversing valve. I can't tell if it's frozen or not. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.